Welcome to Hospitality Solutions e-learning resources. In this video, we will introduce you to Use Concierge AI, your virtual assistant available in the community portal. Concierge AI is designed to provide quick, accurate answers, troubleshooting steps, and links to detailed resources. It is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To begin, log into the community portal. On the main page, click the Ask Concierge AI button. A chat window will open where you can select the area you need help with and type your question. For example, if you want to create a promotion, type "How do I create a promotion?" Concierge AI will return a step-by-step guide along with links to Synexis CR help pages or knowledge base articles for more detailed instructions. Concierge AI maintains the context of your conversation. It remembers what you have asked previously. This means you can ask follow-up questions without starting over. For instance, after creating a promotion, you might ask, "Why is my promotion not showing on the booking engine?" Concierge AI will walk you through the checks you need to perform, such as confirming dates, assignments, or restrictions. In some cases, Concierge AI may ask you for clarification. This can range from a simple yes/no question to a more detailed inquiry. Please don't close the chat after the first reply. Take a moment to respond and engage with it as you would with a customer care agent. This way, you'll receive clear and helpful answers. It is important to note that Concierge AI currently cannot perform system actions, such as checking case status, sending ARI updates, or creating a rate in Synexis CR. If you ask Concierge AI something that it cannot perform, it will explain how you can complete the task yourself and let you know when a case should be created for additional support. When Concierge AI identifies that an issue requires further investigation, it will direct you to create a case in the community portal. Simply provide the requested details and our customer care team will assist you from there. To summarize, use Concierge AI to quickly find answers and follow step-by-step instructions. Be specific and direct. Ask follow-up questions to refine your results. Avoid combining unrelated requests in the same conversation to keep responses accurate. When an action cannot be completed by Concierge AI, you will be guided to create a case. Synexis Concierge AI is here to make your work faster and easier. Try it next time you are in the community portal. Thank you for your attention.